Anyway.
In this short little video, I got a Dell Inspiron 24 all-in-one desktop computer. I'm going to show you how to remove the back panel to get access to the hard drive and other components. It's pretty straightforward. So I'm going to flip it around here. We're going to remove this little plastic panel right here to get access to the screws that hold the base stand on. All you got to do, usually, is just get it started like that. And it comes right off like that. Now there's 4 screws in here. I'm going to lay it down. We're going to take out these 4 screws to get rid of the stand. Don't want to. Always make sure when you're laying these on the face that you got a soft surface like I do here. If you're at home doing this, just use like a big beach towel, but always be careful of that screen. And just kind of tilt it up, pull it back, and that's out of the way. That's it for screws. So what I like to do on these, jeez, there it goes. So we just want to pull it, we're going to pull that out just a little bit. Just remember it's sticking out. You don't want to break it. But we don't need to remove the faceplate because this whole back panel is going to lift right off. I like to start these right about here. That's probably too hard. But there, on there pretty good. Once you get it started, you can use big old spudger tool like this. Guitar picks don't really work good on this because it's on there pretty stiff. So once you get it started, you just want to gently kind of jiggle it and wiggle it, and it should come off without too much trouble. Just like that. Now you have access to your motherboard, cooling fan, hard drive. And as long as I got this open, just a second here. I had a little screw over here. Shoot. Now, anyway, that's how you open up a Dell Inspiron 24 all-in-one. Hope the video was helpful, and thanks for watching.